What started as a family bonding continues as a family legacy. Baking, cooking, and experimenting new recipes has been a hobby for the family who owns King's Pizza. Their pilot restaurant started as a small online business in Marawi and now is here in Aligan. With the teachings of other family members from Italy and Portugal, King's Pizza is determined to bring halal cuisine and famous Marinao dishes into the classic pizza recipe.
Guys, it's your girl Life of Baby, and for today's video, we are here at King's Pizza, the first and newest pizza place here in Aligan City. So it is located at the front of CL UniColor Enterprises, and it is serving halal pizza for everyone in Aligan. Okay, tara Ali, manood ka.
This is their workplace. As you can see, grabe kalimpyo. It is clean to perfection. And everything is organized just to ensure that your food is well prepared and clean. Labi na sa atong panahon karon nga daghan og mga germs sa palibot. And here is the man of the hour, Chef King of King's Pizza, providing us a sneak peek of the pizza making shenanigans. However, the question still remains for us. How do you infuse the creamy coconut taste of Marinao dishes into the classic pizza? Well, we can only answer once we taste royalty at King's Pizza and Snacks. They are located along Tubod Highway near Mamsar construction. And now, let's take a bite.
So i-try guys is Veggies pizza.
Cheese. Sauce na na to.
Cheesy. So na siya certainly mozzarella cheese kayo nag-stretch siya guys. Grabe ka soft yan ang
Sakto rin siya. As in. So, kung gusto kinain cheesy, kaya siya. Ay, so karon ang tilawan na to is ang spicy beef mushroom. And mushroom. Sila na to.
Alam din siya guys. As you can see, soft yan though. Wala gitipid ang ingredients. Grabe ka tender yung beef. And grabe ka soft yung beef.
Pagain na siya. Okay. Chewy nga yun din. Halang yun siya. Ang mga kinahan, halang niya. Legit, halang yun. Halang yun siya.
So hello guys, the reason nga wala na mo nahuman ang isa ka part sa video, it's because naa pa mi second part which is ipadala ang King's Pizza sa ilahang beef Randang pizza. And magya po din siya i-taste test. So pasensya kayo sa background noises, kinarami sa balay. Okay, let's eat baby!
So mga ang data ninyo, no?
At sus na.
Wala dili at sus.
Wala.
Cheesy kayo siya, guys.
Isa ka bigyan po nakita.
Lame.
Ikaw.
Lame.
Akong pinakauna na notice kaya mula siya og naay coconut. Wala gyud siya beef Randang. Matiis ni mo mag naay coconut pero mahal na sagol sa cheese. Sabay ka?
Di pa mumukhaon, masimot na ninyo ang tuno. Nasa tuno. Cheesy po kayo. And meaty.
Actually, mo siya akong gi-wonder ka ito. Nag-ingon si Sir sa mua nga. Sila doon pong na-infuse ang coconut. Pero dili siya, dili siya bidli. Ang dili siya bidli. They really served kaya dili ni mo malasahan at first, pero masimutan ni mo siya, and mataste ni mo siya, but then, murag dili siya lata sa pizza. See, it's all cheese and meat.
Tamis kayo siya guys. Namin yung kayo. King's Pizza, the best.
Okay guys, that's it for
Today, vlog.
for the videos. Kailangan man taga-shortan. So, thank you. So, thank you kaayo sa King's Pizza, no, especially sa mga owners. Grabe ka-humble, no, mag-eat mo sa pizza. Constant yun lang pag-ask ko na ba may critic. So, the only critic lang yun, grabe yun kalami ang ilang pizza.
True.
And feel na ko daghan pagkikayag angay nga i-improve or i-add sa menu, you know, because this is just not promoting the Muslim foods or Muslim culture, but also the foods in Mindanao. And I think this will help Iligan City sa tourism, you know, something makaingon sila nga beef Randang pizza sa Marawig, sa Iligan na kamakatilawan na Bakas pizza sa Iligan lang na bitaw. So guys, what are you waiting for? Balik na gid mo sa King's Pizza and taste the royalty, no? And also they are located along the highway lang. You can have their contact numbers on the description below, and for any inquiries you can also visit their Facebook page, King's Pizza and Snacks. And wala na siya masulti kay busog na kaya siya guys.
Busog kayo po. Basta busog kayo po, magduka yun po sa kabusog.
So, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life of AP. And please support this segment, Team Gasol, with my Gasol friend right here. So, we will be releasing more videos soon. Thanks so much for viewing, and your comments are very appreciated. Suggest more new content. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye!
Bye!